If you are looking for a supportive office chair that is not too bulky, this one by SMUG really fits the bill. Now, this is the second one of these office chairs that we have purchased because the first one that I purchased approximately 3 years ago is still going strong with no signs of wear whatsoever. And I like that the back of this chair is ventilated and the back is also curved in just a bit, very ergonomically to curve to the shape of your back, specifically lower back. I experience lower back pain and fatigue really easily, and I can sit for many hours in this chair. And so I thought that I would just go ahead and demonstrate how to put this chair together step by step. So, in case you need more of a visual reference on learning how to do this, you can have it here with this video. Here you can see my husband putting the finishing touches on this chair by putting on the back and using the provided Allen wrench tool to go ahead and secure the back onto this chair. Everything that you needed is included in the kit. I love this chair and I 100% recommend it.